How to tag a person to a post in Meta Business Suite. Tagging someone in a post using Meta Business Suite is a great way to mention them and draw their attention. The first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account, and then you can decide to either create a post or edit a post. To create a post, the first thing you should do is to move to the left side of the screen and then click on content. After clicking on content, move to the top right corner and click on create post. Now on this page, you can decide where you want to share the post to. Then you can decide what you would like to post. Is it a photo or a video or whatever? Just go ahead and type it out and select it, and then you can now go ahead and add a text. For example, this is for you. Alright, and then you're trying to tag someone. All you need to do is just go ahead and mention the person as a tag. Alright, and how do you do so? After clicking on at, just go ahead and type a name that starts the person's name. Let's say, for example, this. If you know the person's name, you can just type it out and the search should be easier. So I typed out the particular name, and then you can see my friends that have that particular name. So I can just go ahead and select the person that I would like to tag. Alright, and then to make it more effective, you can now add a location of the person to the post. This will also help in tagging the person. And after adding the location and all of that, click on save, and then can also use hashtags. All right, maybe something the person says a lot or commonly, and then go ahead and click on publish to Facebook, and then just like that, the post will be made and the person would be tagged. You can tag as many people as you want. All right, it's not just for one person. You can just go ahead and keep on tagging more people that you so desire. All right, you can see this, so you can just go ahead and tag as many as you want. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.